Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dob yeng jongpi.
Menteri Ketnat Kampok Yeng ke Sorka Jela ba Lahkmen Rymbui ha kasngi baar ka lai potri unailar arajar arpuar ula bu yu Mawnongrim ban penteri ya ke Surok na Kudengrim Kudengthymmai ka bajrong san point khat sau kilometer ya kini ke Surok la bei pisa ling ba ka New Development Bank hapo ka Meghalaya Eco Tourism Infrastructure Development Project ha ka jinglut ka ba khat nyo klur tam ya kebaan penteri da Ketnat Public Works Department. Chief Engineer Jong Ketnat PWD Roads BP Marak ulih thu bakani ke Surok kan penyeso ya ke Shnong kum ka Khongla Nong Bare Amkoi Kudengrim bat ya ke National Highway 40E. Ula ong ru ba ka Jingdon jong ni Surok kan penduna ya ke Jingjengai ban lej jaka Sumar bat jaka Nong Talang College syaki jaka yo hadauki bat Shillong. Hakini kesingila sakilang do Director Jong Ketnat Tourism uba Cyril Deng do ka Subdivisional Officer Jong ka Amlarem Subdivision ka Kong YR Maulong bat kiwe-kiwe.
Road from Kudengrim to Kudengthymmai will connect the following villages, which is namely Konga, Nongbare, Amkoi, and Kudengrim with NH 40E. Now this will reduce the distance to nearest CST college at Nongtalang by the approximate distance of about 40 kilometers. And this also will shorten the distance to market center Dauki by 50 kilometers, and this also will reduce the route to Shillong by 30 kilometers. And this will promote the easy transport of agriculture and other products of this area. Now, apart from reducing the road distances by considerable length, the completion of this road will promote ecotourism in the area as well as there are living root bridges, fish sanctuaries, trekking spots, and this place is preserved with other natural scenic beauties. The scope of work for this project includes the construction of a road with total length of 5.14 kilometers, and the awarded amount is 15.969 crores. And the work has been allotted to the Roadstep Lahkmen, and we expect that the work will be starting in a few weeks' time, as soon as the rains are over. The construction of this road includes construction of two bridges, which is of 30 meters span and 40 meters span, and the promotion of roadway width is 6 meters, with a single lane carriageway width of 3.75 meters. And there is also a provision for construction of rest walls, retaining walls, and other safety measures like signboards and road marking in the project. And there will be a provision for the construction of single opening beam pipe culvert at 24 different locations, including provisions of drains in the DPR. Now this, as we all understand, this road passes to a very eco-sensitive area, and for this environment impact assessment has been conducted, and this was done with a consultant, and the same has been, and no adverse impact was found as per the study.
Nakuha kani tadi kawai naki maujam haka tinggai nanti kajonga nakabentar karoy kapar kang konstitusi menim kadang ni kamay katanda ngilay iba ka blok ng ihang tay amram blok kalong kaba kanya bagmenin katanda na po sinari department kalami bansna arklur nyaw lak ngamenta ka blok headway haka politik kibon ni bang kanyo o la Rymbui ule ayo dapat badasuk daprakha kung ginang siyang Shnong ngimde dan siyang shit tanga for election sans nem ngimpiya haray ni mga ngapit baro samsnem na kabata ka cimpik-cimpiang jong paika. Kanda gusto. Henry, harap election, bakran kumto, bakran kumne undan. Henry mga kumang hingadon ka mission, kung naban develop, ya konstitusi ke jonga. Ngadon ka mission, ban develop, ya kathain ke jonga. Tirai tidak dipauten krei. Haswaw aja pra, ya ka National Highway 40E, mantay ang 206. Kaput tang posken telang. But ondang long nong mikmat ngala bang pendet hadu bakut konstitusi jonga hab lak mau pelang. But ondang long nong mikmat kasa mantang long nong mikmat pindik juai lada. PMGSY hapo ka amran konstitusi amran submission Haswa aja praforu ada teriang nilayo, yang asap kotor nilayo, yang menang terbaik, bat kasken persit. Harapor jangan imaklor pak kemai trei, ya ka Surok musekia ka beri PMGSY. Arajar kalai hadu arajar kapra zero. Arajar kapra hadu mentah. Bat salang, bat tepo, bat pringkerong, bat pringse, sotai, haduk sendai. Baginya susu. Baru kita bilang, oh gitu gini skim sentral. Skim sentral kena tidak bisa. Henry, balai kita sentral skim. Harap por bangamdan longan kimdan. Harap por bangamdan longan kidam. Ni dewan perkat kuno. Jangan kata, hagan apa? Ngakwa dan kentui di pajak. Balong kiba Rusia. Nama ba barok ni dan kami yang dikam shimet. Handai habasuk ladakan yo pakot takil. Lada konsi karoy katno kalong kabasno tengah. Tengah
ini ke Surok, Kudengrim.